Paseo, Music C. A. Starting with the right foot, take 24 walking steps forward to proper places in a quadrille formation facing counterclockwise, 12 measures. B. Take 4 steps, girl moving halfway clockwise to finish inside a square facing partner, while boys do it in place leading the girl. Counts 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 measures. C. Release hold. For girl, step left foot sideward, circle right arm to fifth position, left arm sideward counts 1, 2. Cross right foot in rear of left and bend knees halfway. Lower fan in second position, counts 1, 2. 2 measures. For boy, step right foot forward, right arm forward holding hat, left arm in rear, counts 1, 2. Step left foot backward and bend trunk slightly forward. Bring right arm to Hayun position, left arm in fifth position, counts 1, 2, 2 measures. Figure 1, Music A. Boys lace counterclockwise, hat on hand, right arms raised obliquely upward, while girls face a clockwise arm raised obliquely upward holding fan, hand holding skirt. A. Take 8 walking steps forward, moving halfway, meeting partner at the opposite side of the set, 4 measures. B. 2-step turn right, moving forward to partner's place, circle arm to fifth position, counts 1, 2. Turn and step with right foot, circle left arm to fifth position, counts 1, 2. 2 measures. C. For girl, step sideward facing partner, counts 1, 2. Cross right foot in rear of hand, bend knees slightly, raise right arm to fifth position, left hand holding skirt, counts 1, 2. 2 measures. For boy, step left foot backward, counts 1, 2. Point right foot in front, arms as in C of Paseo, 2 measures. D. Boys face clockwise, girls face counterclockwise. Repeat A to C. Finish in starting place in front of partner. 8 measures. E. Repeat A to D, this time raise left arm obliquely upward. Boys transfer hats to left hand, girls place right hand on waist with fan. Left arm obliquely upward. Finish the turn in the next formation. 8 measures. Figure 2, Music B. Dancers line front, boy 1 holds inside hands of girls 1 and 2, boy 3 holds inside hands of girls 3, and 4 boys' hats are placed on their heads. Girls holds fans with outside hands. A. Place heel forward, count 1. Point same foot in front, count 2. Change step forwards, counts 1 and 2. 2 measures. B. Repeat 2 with the right foot, moving backward. Girls turning inward, 2 measures. C. Repeat A and B. This time, girls turned outward to end up in front of respective partners set facing clockwise, 4 measures. Note: boys 2 and 4 claps hands obliquely upward left on counts 1, 2, 1, and 2 every 2 measures in A to C. D. The arm of boy is joined overhead with right hand of girl, left hand holding left hand girl, which is placed on waist. Take 2 change steps forward, moving in a clockwise direction. 2 measures. E. Boys have 2 change steps sideward right and left. Girls take a 2 steps turns under arch of arms. 2 measures. F. Repeat D and E. Figure 3, Music C. Partners stand side by side and join inside hands, still facing same direction. A. Starting with the inside foot, take 8 change steps forward, right and left alternately. Swing inside arms forward and backward alternately every measure. Outside hand of the girl holding fan and fanning self. Boy's hand on waist. Finish in a column formation diagonally across the stage. 8 measures. Figure 4, Music D. Boys place hat on head. Girl holds closed fan with their right hands. Pair number 1. Partners face each other. Join both hands, palms in, arms extended obliquely downward and obliquely upward. Left of boy, right of girl down, opposite arms up. A. Starting with the left foot of boy and right of girl, execute heel on toe change step sideward, 2 measures. B. Face the opposite direction and repeat A with the opposite foot, reverse arm position, 2 measures. C. Immediately transfer weight on the free foot, count 1, repeat B 2 times more, 4 measures. D. Quarter turn right, immediately transfer weight again on free foot and raise the other foot across in front and bend trunk slightly sideward, count 1. Take 4 chasing steps, sideward, counts 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Repeat same steps, 2 measures. E. Face the opposite direction and repeat T with the opposite foot, 4 measures. All pairs. Hold in ballroom dancing position. A. Repeat chasing steps as in D of pair number 1. Finish in one line at center, 2 measures. B. Repeat A finishing in opposite pairs place, 2 measures. C. Quarter turn right and repeat same movements, 2 measures. D. Face the opposite direction and repeat C with the opposite foot. Release, hold, and face each other, 2 measures. Figure 5, Music E. Dosido. 4 walking steps forward passing right to right, 4 steps backward passing left to left. For girl, execute the dosido. Forearm turn forward with the right holding the open fan, finish with the knuckles up. Fan is perpendicularly facing down. Forearm bent in rear, as in hayon hayon. 2. Reverse the positions of the arms in moving backward. Place the fan flat on the back, 2 measures. For boy, execute the dosido with the arms in hayon-hayon position, right forearm in front for the fist, 2 measures, and reverse the position of the arms on the last 2 measures, 4 measures. A. Girls execute the dosido. Boys march in place, arms down at sides, 8 counts, 4 measures. B. Double dosido. Boys and girls execute dosido with the opposite partners, 4 measures. C. Girls take 4 steps forward to opposite place, 4 counts, 4 steps turning right about, 4 counts. Boys execute dosido, 4 measures. D. Dosido with partners, finish in 2 small squares, sets of 2 pairs, 4 measures. Figure 6, Music F. Partners face the center of the set. A. Girls execute dosido. Boys march in place, arms as in Figure 7. A. 4 measures. B. Boys execute dosido. Girls take 4 2 steps turns in place, right arm in 5th position, left hand holding skirt, 4 measures. C. C. Execute dosido with partners, 4 measures. D. Execute dosido with the opposite, 4 measures. Figure 7, Music G. Dancers stand side by side facing opposite pairs. A. Starting with the left foot, take 3 steps backward, counts 1, 2, 1. Lean slightly back with the head, throw and boys place hats on head, count 2. Take 4 steps forward and hook right elbows with opposites on the last counts, 4 counts, 4 measures. B. Take 8 steps turning counterclockwise, finish in the next formation, 4 measures. C. Join right hands with partner, boys points left foot in rear. left arm extended backward holding hat 3 measures. Girls executes 3 2 steps, turns right under arch of arms. Left hand holding skirt 5 measures. D. Join both hands and pull away from each other 2 counts 1 measures. E. Boy puts the girl close to him and steals a kiss covering his face with the hat 4 counts 2 measures. F. Release hold. Take a 2-step turn away from each other. Counts 1, 2. Step inside foot sideward. Count 1. Cross outside foot in rear. Count 2. Girl bend knees. Inside arms extended forward. Joining hands outside arm obliquely upward. Boy holds hat with outside hand. Girl holds fan with inside hand. 2 measures.